So to increase the chances of having your offer accepted in a seller's market, there are a few things a buyer can do. So first is buying a house with cash is a surefire way to have an acceptable offer. However, most people don't have the cash to be able to execute this. The second best way to have an offer accepted is to use a conventional loan. Currently, 90% of all the loans that are getting approved are conventional loans. This is because they require less from the seller, making them less risk to the seller's agent. Another way to increase the chances of having an offer be accepted is to make sure the lender communicates with a listing agent to find out what their client needs. This is important because most lenders do not do this, and it can give buyers a competitive advantage. Additionally, it is important not to lowball offers, as this would not be appealing to the sellers in the seller's best interest. So instead, buyers should have a conversation with a real estate agent about what offer will help them win, as ultimately the goal is to purchase a home. Then finally, speed is important in a seller's market. Homes go off the market quickly, so buyers need to be quick to go see homes and make offers. If a home buyer finds a home that they're interested in, they should take action immediately to avoid losing that opportunity. So in conclusion, in a seller's market, buyers need to be strategic in order to increase their chances of having an offer accepted. This includes a conventional loan, communicating with the listing agent, not lowballing offers, and being quick to act. By following these tips, buyers can increase their chances of success in a competitive market.